Well, I was born and raised here in Gananoque, and my great-grandfather came here, and I'm telling you, I've traveled all around the world, and this is the most beautiful place in the world. I learned how to swim in the river, I learned how to fish, I learned how to drive a boat. The river is just part of your life when you're here in Gananoque, and here, as well as just the natural beauty of the islands. We're starting to see the return of the blue heron, and we're starting to see osprey, lots of osprey now. People have taken up the charge and they've built osprey platforms and nests. And in 1999 we had our first nesting pair of bald eagles return to the St. Lawrence since 1937. And since then we've had 20 young eaglets born in the Thousand Islands, and we now have 3 successful nests in the lower St. Lawrence here, and it's great. And part of that is the fact that we've had 20 successful eaglets born and raised on the river since 1999 means that there's a resurgence of eagles as well. We're also building some natural platforms as well.